Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to work on the Tahoe again. We're going to make it safer for towing. It's super easy, super simple, and super cheap, and it makes towing a whole lot safer. These Tahoes, they come with decent brakes, but they're decent brakes to stop the Tahoe with, not towing. But with this kit I got right here on Amazon, I'm going to show you in less than 10 minutes how to hook this up, and you'll have trailer brakes on your Chevy truck. You know, this is going to be from the range of around 98, 99 to about 2006 model. So somewhere in that range. And this is very, very cheap setup. I'll leave a link down in the description. All I ask for you is like and follow and subscribe to this video right here. And I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. Come on. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to open this up. Yeah, got it locked. Imagine that. And we're going to look down here. I'm going to show you where this plug goes. Let me get my flashlight out. All right, you see that right there? That is where the new plug is going to plug in for the brake controller. It's going to plug in right there somewhere. I just got to figure out where. But it won't go but one place, so let's hook it up and see. That ought to be good. Now this plug adapter that I got right here, it goes for this type of brake controller, which is a Brakeman 4. And it looks like this on both ends. This end here is going to plug into the truck, and this end here is going to plug into the brake controller. Let's get it plugged into the truck now. I believe this is going to go right here. Right here. I'm going to go in the second one from the left, right there. You see where this is? Got my finger on it. That's how easy that was. And then this is going to wrap around. We don't need all that zoom now, but let's go ahead and put it in here. I'm going to show you where we're going to put this thing. I'm going to put it right here and kind of out of the way, but where I can reach it, but where my knee won't hit it. And this is the plug on the brake controller, and this is the front of it right here. And it'll mount about like this right here on the front. So let's go ahead and get that mounted up, and we'll do that, and that'll be pretty simple. Looks like it's already got some holes here from previous installs, so we may put this right here to cover that up. I'm gonna get in here and look at it and see what it looks like. Let's see. I think that'll work right in there, about like that. And that won't be in my way of my knee or anything. So we're going to do that. Now, to do this install, all you really need is this little kit and a basically like a drill with a 1/4-inch bit, because it comes with these 1/4-inch screws. And you just pop these out and put them on the side. Now remember, you have to put one on this side right here. So remember to leave yourself enough room to screw that in. It may even better to be put it on this side, but I don't like that idea. So I'm going to just put it on this side. But I'm going to leave enough room to put this in there by hand. I'll be able to put it in over here like this. So Okay. And this is going to go. When you get the choice, you can kind of put it down or you can put it straight up. I'm going to put it kind of down a little bit. And this is what I meant by you got to have enough room here. I'll get me a 1/4 inch wrench and put on that side over there and tighten that up. And this one I'll be able to tighten up right here. All right. Put that like that. We're going to wrap this around over here and come in underneath all these wires and plug this in. And that'll go just like that. I'm going to get me a cable tie of some sort and put on this to basically keep it up in the air best I can anyway, and we'll go from there. But you can see it light up right there, so we know it's hooked up right. So that's not hard. Let me go get a 1/4 inch wrench so I can tighten this up, and we'll go from there. I've got me a 1/4 inch ratchet wrench right here. I'm gonna put that on it, and I will be able to smooth this down a little bit. That makes it all right there. All right, that's gonna work. Now I'll just tie it up down here at the bottom a little bit, get it out of the way, and we'll be done with this project. We'll go hook it up to a trailer and see how it does. All right, now that's all good and tight. Take my pocket knife and trim it up. Oh, there that goes. That's that one. So we are good to go. We'll go around there and we'll hook it up and see what it does when we put brakes on the trailer. Let's take it for a ride, and let's go back here to the trailer, and if we can't hook it up, see what it does. See my backup camera right there working. And it's only going to tell me when I get close to this thing. That's pretty close right there. All right, we'll get out and we'll go hook this thing up and hook this trailer up. We'll see what it does. Let's go right here. And this is gonna go up. These things are so much of a pain. All right, that ought to hook up good. All right, so this here is the game. So when you put the brakes on, they come usually wide open. I've already set this one to 5, and then this is your sync. Well, what it does is it shows how fast it hits the brakes. So hitting the brakes, so when your sync is on, you hit the brakes like this, it goes pretty slow. It just gradually puts the brakes on. But if you turn this up, we'll go halfway to 5. You see how much faster it hits the brakes? And then at 10, well, it goes to 9. At 9, it just hammers on the brakes fast. Well, we don't want that. So we're going to turn it down to 0. Gradually hits the brakes, because all I carry is like a light tractor, and we'll go from there. But that's how you hook it up, and that's how you operate it. Get it unhooked. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, hit that like button, that thumbs up button. And also go back and subscribe. These videos are coming, I'll put them out every so often, just tips and tricks and different things that I do. But I appreciate all my followers, all my subscribers. Thank you so much. Y'all have a wonderful day. Later.